Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Dollar Tree looking at Christmas DIYs. Here are some little snow globes you can make and ornaments. And they have the round ornaments that have sayings on them. And you can add things inside or paint them. There's just so many things you can do with these. They have Frosty and Snoopy and Elf lip balm. And they have Friends lip balm, and this is actually available over at Walmart too. It's actually cheaper at Walmart. It's only $1 there. And here, it'd be $1.25. There's a man cave sign. Enter at your own risk. And it's metal. I was surprised. That would make a great gift for someone. Some lollipops. Santa, Frosty, Gingerbread Man. Over here, we have a reindeer kit, a nativity set, some Christmas characters, and then some animals. There are lots of wood items to paint so that you can make them your very own for decorating your home. Cute miniature Christmas trees. Look at the masks. Oh, those are cute. And then lots of little sets where everything's like outlined and you can just color it in. Looks like there's a felt Christmas tree. Lots of little DIY accessories that you always need. Paint your own ceramic ornaments. Little elves there. I think those are cute. And these stockings you can color. I wonder how well that would work. I don't think those pins would be, how do we say, juicy enough to do a whole stocking. But I think they're cute. Some wreaths and more DIY ornaments. They have different sizes, so they have that size and then they have a larger size. Then they have these little baby sizes. Glittery Christmas trees. This little book I thought was so cute, The Magical Snow Globe, and it has all of these little activities and stickers and just little paper things that pop out, but you can fill your own snow globe with those stickers. That's a fun little activity set. They also have Santa, penguins, elves or gnomes, and that's it. All right, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.